What do you think of the weather so far? Are we getting a summer yet in Ireland?
Gee, I don't know.
So this is Graham behind me here. He is the perfect crash test dummy for a low impact car crash. So he is an example of what a human would have to look like to survive a low impact crash of maybe 30 kilometers an hour. So it's an interesting look at, I guess, perfecting a human in one very specific way. You know, would you be willing to look like Graham to be perfect at this one very specific thing in life?
So Harmony is an artificial intelligence, so an AI, built from real robotics, Realbotics in California. And Harmony is designed to be a companion application. So the app itself is completely customizable. So you can customize the voice, the look, the hair, the body, and the personality of the companion itself. What it's for, it's to be, it can be a companion for love, for lust. There's different interpretations of it. People who have social isolation may use these apps. There's no guarantee that they're good for humanity or the world, but the point of this piece is that this is a thing that's happening in the world. So we thought, why not have a conversation about it and discuss why these things are created, what are they used for, are they going to be beneficial for the future or not?
So this one is called Biometric Mirror. It's one of the big interactive pieces in the show. So they go into the booth and they let an AI take a few snapshots of them and morph their face according to Fibonacci's golden ratio. So you're presented with your most perfect symmetrical self. So you're letting an AI tell you how attractive you are or how weird you look. So could get some interesting responses. It's looking at how much we trust technology with now and what we're willing to trust technology with. Words like artificial intelligence and machine learning are big buzzwords in the tech world right now, and people think they're really advanced and going to change the world, but at the moment they have a lot of flaws, and it'll be a long time before we can trust them with very serious and potentially ethically concerning questions like judging your race, age, sex, gender, how attractive you are.